This is me and Shelby heading out to pick up 55-gallon drum of racing fuel for his flat drag truck for the season. We went to Instant Karma Racing, which is a speed shop in Walton, Kentucky. Dave and Karma Hopper are owners and operators of it. Karma, I believe, was out racing this weekend. Her 71 Demon was gone, drag car. But I got the video of her dragster, and which has a big block INDY cylinder head engine in it. What kind of horsepower, cubic inch it is, I don't know. Dave was kind of busy, and I didn't really want to bother him too much. But I got the video it and a 1965 Valiant they're restoring, along with a drag car and another dragster that they're building there in the shop while we're there. It had a big block 650 cubic inch Chevrolet. The other thing I got to do was I got to see Dave's first car, which is a 1967 GTX he has in the barn that he has the fuel barrels in. And he told me a story on that, and that story is at the end of this video. Hope you enjoy.
sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah. To appreciate all that is vacant, it's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent, I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
I guess it'll fit in the big wide fenders.
Tight squeeze. Your little ass got in there, but I don't think I'll get in there. Did he hit it?
It took me 3 months to find that fender.
Hit the fender. I didn't want you to hit the fender.
What is that you got up there? 60?
67. DTX.
DTX? Wow.
That was my first car.
That was your first car?
I bought it the day I graduated.
Really? Wow.
With all my graduation money. All $275.
Really? $275 you bought that car?
My neighbor right next door owned it. He was a Chevrolet guy.
Wow.
Cars at all. For no reason. And he's done some trading around and got it.
Yeah.
And he was putting a transmission in it. Truly shade tree in the back. We lived in a subdivision, and he back under in the back very end of the backyard with some trees, and that's where you put your chain hoist.
Yeah, I used to do the same thing.
And
I was a kid.
he had that back there, and he was having trouble getting the transmission. He didn't know how all the stuff worked on a Chrysler.
Yeah.
He bolts up different stuff.
Yeah.
And he was a hothead. Spoiled whatever kind of car he wanted. Well, he was with bikes, anything. His mom spoiled him really, really bad. And so he busted. I watched him bust 3 727s with a sledgehammer. He'd get mad at him and just bust them to pieces. Then he'd go get another one. And so finally he got a 4-speed. I was going to put a 4-speed in it. Well, he never got that far, and I'd been on him. It'd sit back there for a year under that tree, and I'd been on him to sell me that car. And of course, you know, we're just running rampant as kids. And the day after my graduation party, I come out, and he was out there, and he said, "Hey, you want to buy that car?" And I said, "How much you want for it?" He said, "How much you got?"
Really?
And I said, because money didn't mean nothing to him.
Yeah.
And I said, "I don't know, let me check." So I went in and counted up, I'm talking on 5s and singles, and I had $275. He said, "You own it." And so I got a chain on it, and we drug it literally from his yard, we would have side by side, over about 20 feet and up to the front yard of our house. And that's where, that was mine.
Now, what motor did it have in it? Original 4?
It comes with the 440. That was the first year before the 440.
Yeah. You've held on to this car, you never let it go since then.
No, actually, I was going to give it to my nephew. If he would help me, restore it, I was going to give it to him. He never would do nothing. So I got aggravated with it, and I had a boy that was always on me. What school was always on me. So I sold it to him for $2,500. And it didn't have an engine in it. And he bought it, took it. He was going to have somebody restore it, and they wouldn't restore it. They didn't want to mess with it, and he couldn't do it. So he called me, he says, "Hey, you want to buy us back?" I said, "No, not really." So he sold it to another guy I know, Chink. And Chink took it. It was a turquoise, it's like a copper color.